Vanakkam, I'm RJ Balaji. Right now I'm in Coimbatore. Not only in Coimbatore, in any part of Tamil Nadu, you can see students, youngsters protesting for the verdict that is given against Jallikattu. So like people think we are mad and somebody from politics called us porikis. You just have to come to any city in Tamil Nadu to know what kind of protest this is. Maybe Gandhiji in pre-independence era has protested in a silent, peaceful way. That is exactly what is happening right now. In every city across Tamil Nadu, no student is going against the law. Even the police they're coping up with the students because they are so well behaved. No bus has been damaged. Nobody has been drunk. Nobody is not misbehaving with girls. So it is a protest that India has never seen in past 5-6 decades after independence. So we are not porikis here. We are not porikis here fighting for something, some random bullshit. And I just want to ask everybody from North and rest of India, you guys know Anna Hazare had a protest in Jantar Mantar. And everybody around Anna Hazare had a political agenda. Right from Arvind Kejriwal, who is the chief minister, Kiran Bedi, who is a governor, everybody had a political agenda and the whole national media gave so much of importance. They thought it is a revolution in India. This is revolution in India because this is a movement started by students. And it doesn't have any agenda, any motives. Okay, one thing, this is to the Prime Minister, to the Cabinet Minister and to the media, everyone. You guys, please, you don't have to agree with our cause. Maybe you support Jallikattu or you're against Jallikattu. We don't want you to agree with the cause. Please understand the spirit of the people. We just want you to understand the spirit. Respect that spirit. That spirit is not fighting only for Jallikattu. Have you seen you students come out like this and protest for something for their right? We have come out. Last year we came out for our fellow human beings in humanity grounds. This year we came out to protest for our rights. And finally, I just want to say one thing to the respected Prime Minister. If at all you consider meeting the representatives of Tamil Nadu regarding Jallikattu issue, please don't do this. They never represented us in a better way. We students want to meet you directly and listen to us for once. Because government is for the people and by the people, and laws are for people. And if the people of the entire state, the youngsters of the entire states are not happy with certain law, I definitely know it can be changed. I hope, and all of us in Tamil Nadu hope, that you will meet us very soon. Thank you. We are proud Indians, not at the cost of losing the identity of a Tamilan. Now, Tamilan, thank you.